It's fall like them all over.
Are we on?
We are live.
Oops. What's up? What's up, everybody? We are back again with another mail call and big box this time. Another second big box, and hopefully get good stuff inside. You know, we're not gonna open them and get I don't know, toilet paper and slippers, but you never know. We just might. You know.
I can help you with that.
Just to let everybody know out there. What's my name?
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
There you go. All right. Ooh.
I'll get back to this.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. What is this, bro? What is this? What is this?
Oh, it's a 16.
Oh. Unpunched too, bro.
Whoa. It's a collector's convention.
Mm.
It wouldn't be on no pigs. Wow.
Just put me on blast, why don't you?
Really, let's get that. Oh wow. So this is a mail call, but what we're looking at is the House of Cars Father's Day pulls.
Nice. Let's get a
So,
close up of that. There we go. Look at that.
10 pulls so we can get 50% off on this. That is nice. That I don't think I'm gonna open.
What?
Oh, it's the shoebox.
Yeah, it's a shoebox.
I was thinking it was an Edsel or a...
That's a nice cut. I like that yellow. That yellow is like there's a pearl in there, bro. And the flames are really done up. You know when it's something like super expensive or exotic, they make them nice.
Well, it's a collector car.
Yeah. Okay, so wow, I'm all like stuck. What's the next one? Okay.
Me too.
Oh.
Because this one said that it would be all exclusive.
Oh. Well, since you got two of these.
2?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we got another one.
Yeah.
What's the number on this one? 1365. Wow, what's the number on the other one?
Number on the other one is
165.
wow.
Oh.
Well, now you can open one and save one, bro.
Yeah. I don't know if I want to open them though.
Probably not.
Wait, 1365 out of how much? 2,000.
Yeah.
No, I don't know if that's. I don't know if that's still a candidate to open.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what else we got in there.
There's a box in here, dude.
Let's pull the lids down so people can see what's in there. There's a box.
Yeah, there's another box in here, dude.
Uh-oh. This is like reverse lava eruption.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, there's no other way to do it, dude. So.
Is there anything else on the side?
Yeah. So you know what? I'll put this aside and I'll grab the other one.
Okay. Yay! The little town over here got flooded with. Ooh. I see an M2 box.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's see what we got.
Anything else in here?
No, let me just stick your hand there.
Oh yeah. Let me just take the risk out.
Yeah.
You think there's no tarantulas in there? Okay.
Something bites you, it's not biting me too.
Thanks,
You're
Thanks,
welcome.
Thanks,
just-
The love.
I'm just trying to think of the channel, you know, I can go on with one of us.
Oh. Oh, thanks,
Oh, you're welcome.
Wow.
Just to let you know.
Yeah. The talented guy that never mind, I can't say
I don't
nothing.
have to be the fastest runner.
It's gonna be faster
I just
than you.
gotta be faster than you.
All right, so this is what we got. The N2 Toy-Con. Boom!
Is that a Camaro or is it a Pontiac?
That's a Camaro Z28,
Camaro Z28.
1970.
70. Wow, look at that logo.
And look how much.
Oh, wow.
750 pieces, man. That's nice.
That means everybody who went to ToyCon didn't get one.
Yep.
Wow.
Look at that. Nice. Get that in there. Look at that. Ooh. All right. Okay, so we got that. And the next one is this.
Oh, is that Skyline? Yes,
Yep.
it is.
GTR.
71.
Yep. No more hood either, bro.
No, hood's open.
No more. Oh, the hood is open. I couldn't see him from my angle. Look at that. 750 pieces, too. Look at that. Bing. Can you say the word chase piece?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. What is it with the blackout tires, bro? Come on. Put some Rams in that, man.
Let me see. Wow. We'll look at it off camera.
Okay. Hello, my baby. Hello, my darling. Hello, my ragtime gal. Gotta fill up the space while John look at the cars off camera. If you refuse me, honey. Okay, we power. All right, cool. Okay, so we got this one right here. Hopefully Warner Brothers don't get mad I did that.